Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send voice messages on Yubo. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you want to send voice messages on Yubo, first open the app and go to your chats. Select the conversation where you want to send the voice message. Once inside the chat, look for a microphone icon near the text input field. Press and hold the microphone button to start recording your voice message. You can drag the icon upward to make it lock in and keep recording without you holding it. And once you're done, simply release the button to send it. If you want to cancel the recording before sending, just slide your finger away from the microphone icon before releasing it. Your message won't be sent, and you can start over. Voice messages are a great way to make your conversations more personal and engaging, so give it a try. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.